it's great for the kids to have this right next to them, right here by the school.
This long-lasting appreciation for the coastal environment, and I think that's really important, and that gets carried down to their families when they have their own. So I think that's probably the thing I'm proudest of, and just that this that it's continued, and the use of this wetlands is continued, and Katie has just done an outstanding job of keeping things going.
And sometimes you can inspire kids to go in like different fields and like learn about marine biology and different types of animals, and they can just learn more.
What I've learned about this program is a lot about our ecosystem and how it really affects like our world. And another thing is how all of the people in our class, they're all my friends, and like we all get along, and teamwork really pays off in the end.
One of the big things that we do is the things that they're learning about in class: ecosystems, food chains, habitats. When they're in class, they're learning about it from a textbook or from a video, but they come out here and they get to view it in real life, and they're experiencing it in real life. They get to see the shrimp living within the seagrass. They get to see the different fish munching on the different shrimp. And so they're seeing everything firsthand. They are getting to touch it, feel it, sometimes taste it in the case of saltworts. And then they take those experiences and they put it right back into their classroom. And so it's a positive feedback cycle where they learn something, they come out, they experience it, and then they take it back to the classroom, and so on and so on.
What I like about the wetlands is that during the day the water always sparkles, and at the night is when you get to see like all the crabs and fish drop out of the water. And one other thing is when we go with Miss Doyle, she lets us get in the water and actually like play, sometimes like touch the hermit crabs.
This area here is so magical, and I'm so glad that you children have an opportunity here. That's fantastic. Can grow up the way that I did in a way, with water around you.